Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Um, this is a little, this video will be a little bit different. I have created a tool for hosting multiple Minecraft servers. So this is basically a dashboard for hosting Minecraft servers. Uh, so the way it works is that you have this web application and you can view your servers here. Right now I don't have any servers created, but I'll show you how to do that in a moment. And this is very basic right now. It will be uh, a bit more advanced in the future. Uh, so basically, to create a server, you click this button here, and right now you'll only have to select a name for the server. So I will call this YouTube. Save. And now it will create the server for me. And I will try to connect to it here in a moment. So there we go, it's created. So if I click servers here, we can see the status of it here. So this is the server. It got an IP here and it's running. And if I click manage, I'll get to this view again. I should also be able to see logs here soon, in a moment. There we go. So let's try to connect to this server. Let's add it to our Minecraft client here. So we're going to add a server and we're going to call this YouTube. There we go. There we go, it's running. I don't know why it says old, because it isn't. I should be able to connect to it without any problems at all. So the technology I'm using for building this is Python and Flask for the web application, and I'm using Docker for the servers. So every time you create a server, a Docker container is created for that server. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's try to connect to it again. It should work. I did this before I recorded this video. So let's just give it another try. Joining world, loading terrain. There we go. I connected to the server. Cool. So let's try and create another server. And now you can see it doesn't say old anymore. I don't know why it did that. So let's create another server, new server. Let's call this foo bar. Save. And we should have it up and running here in a minute. Less than a minute. Okay, so the server is created. If we go to servers, we should see it here as well. There it is. I think it is this one. Let's go to that one. No, that was the YouTube one. Sorry. Oh, we can also see logs from the server here. So the upper one should be the one we created now. This one, isn't it? Yeah, that's the foo bar server. So let's try and connect to that one. Add server. Foo bar. Localhost. There we go. Done. And it will also say old for some reason. I don't know why. Let's try and connect to that one as well. We might be having the same problems as with the other one. I don't know why it's being a jerk. So yeah, basically you can create how many servers as you want using this web application. It's just a fun little thing that I'm doing to to learn Docker. Okay, it didn't want us to connect. So let's try it one more time. I think the problem is my computer is very slow right now. And you probably shouldn't run multiple Minecraft servers on a MacBook. It's not what it's made for. So that's probably why it's being a little bit troublesome. Nope. Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, so now we're connecting. Cool. So both of the servers work. Great. But yeah, that was basically it, guys. I hope you liked this video, and I don't know. Tell me what you think about this tool in the comments. So yeah, thank you for watching.